Good morning, class 8th. In previous chapter, we have discussed the force. What is force? Force is push or pull on an object. In simple terms, you can define the force. It is defined as a push or pull on an object. So you can take example of the force in daily life while playing sports also, football, and the ball is kicked and passed on the another player, or ball is received from the another player, and these are the example of the force. And what are the effect of the force, we have discussed in last chapter also. So what are the effect of the force? So apply the force, you can move the object from its state of rest, and you can increase the speed of a moving object, and we can decrease the speed of a moving object or stop a moving object. And force can change the direction of a moving object and can change the shape of an object. Now student, we have discussed in this chapter pressure, and we have discussed also in last chapter atmospheric pressure. What is the atmospheric pressure? Atmospheric pressure is a pressure exerted by the atmosphere on the earth due to the weight of the air. What do you mean by the atmospheric pressure? The pressure exerted by the atmosphere on the earth due to the weight of the air. Now student, in this chapter, what is the chapter name? Pressure. So in this chapter we will discuss the pressure and its connection to force and area also, and pressure to solid, pressure due to fluids also, atmospheric pressure, barometer, and application of the pressure. So you can see this picture, carefully observe the pictures, and you can see the one person is wearing the bag on the both shoulders, है ना? And now you can see the other is wearing it in one shoulder. So now you tell me which one of the two situation provide comfort and which is more stress on a person. You tell me, and recognize in the term of force and area. What is the relation between the force and area? You know, force is directly proportional area. If area is increased, and also force will be increased. If area is less, so force will be decreased. Understand what I am saying? Now you can see this, there are the two situations: while swimming underwater or while traveling in aircraft. So we sometimes find that our ears hurt. Why is it so? You can see the pressure is there. So sometime while hammering a nail into a piece of wood, now listen carefully, while hammering a nail into a piece of wood, we find some nail get easily hammered, and but other do not. Why is it so? You know, you can answer the in the term of the force and area. And what is the relation between the force and area? We have discussed in last chapter, if area is increased, so force will be increased. If area is less, so force will be decreased. So in this way, you can take example of the hammering nails into a wood. If you can take the sharp nail, you can see the area of this sharp nail is less, so it is easily hammered into a piece of wood. If broken the sharp nail one side, so what will happen? It does not hammering into a wood. So understand what I am saying? If area is less, so force will be less. If area is large, so force will be large. Okay, so I hope you understand. So in this chapter we will discuss the pressure. So there is also relation between force, pressure and area. So what do you mean by the pressure? What is the formula of the pressure? Pressure is equal to force upon area. If it means, you can say that pressure inversely proportional to area. Inversely proportional. If area is less, so pressure will be large, increase. If area is large, so pressure will be decreased. So what do you mean by the pressure? We heard terms like blood pressure, atmospheric pressure, low pressure during a cyclone, etc. So how do we understand pressure? Okay, so let us find out performing a simple experiment. Take a board, a pin, and fix into your school bulletin board by the pointed end. See how easily it goes in. Now try to doing same with the other end, the blunt end or a head of the board pin. If you broke the head of the pin, then now fix into in your school bulletin board, what will happen? What do you observe? It cannot drive the pin into a wooden board. Why? Think. Because the area is increase, then force will be increase, and then area is large, so pressure will be decrease. So that's why it cannot fix into a bulletin. And you can take another example of the usually seen in the kitchen also. And you can when you use the blunt knife like a butter knife to cut vegetable. No, why? Because there is a area is large, and so pressure will be decrease. Okay, so in this way we use a sharp knife to cut the vegetables. So student, I hope you understand this pressure. So in next lecture we will discuss the pressure, the many example of the pressure also. So student, we have taken the many example. You can take hammering nails into the wood also, and answer the questions. Is arises, how is that the applying the same force on the two knives, the effect are different. There are two knife, one is the blunt knife and one is the sharp knife. So pressure comes into a play. It means, what is the relation between the pressure, force and area? So pressure is equal to force upon area. Now you tell me, what do you mean by the force? Push or pull? Push or pull. And what do you mean by the pressure? The force applied over a unit area is termed pressure. So in this way, I hope you understand, and we will discuss in next lecture. We will discuss again the pressure, what is the relation between and what is the unit, and we will discuss some numerical also. So student, I hope you understand. We have discussed the many example. This you can find out now why this happen. Okay students, bye.